Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a huge fall winter boy clothing haul for you. I don't know about you, but I have been struggling to find super cute boy clothes. Finally, I think that I have found a good resource, I guess you would say, to find super cute boy outfits and styles. I found a couple Instagram boutiques. So I want to show you the things that I got. There are a couple things that I'm going to be returning only because it's sort of like duplication. I like to have minimal stock of clothing. I don't want to be doing laundry all the time. And I like to be able to interchange the pieces to make different outfits. So I'll just jump in and I'll show you everything that I got. Most of the time I was shopping at Old Navy. And I've just found that a lot of times Old Navy clothes for me, and I think my kids are super hard on clothes, they just don't really wash that well. And I am not a professional at laundry. I don't really sort. I do put whites by themselves, but everything else I just throw in together and just wash. So it's probably on my end that I'm ruining our clothes. But I just found that Old Navy clothes for me don't really hold up that well. I only got 2 pieces for him at Old Navy. This cute pair of Camo Joggers, and he's only wore these like twice, so they're holding up pretty well. But then I got these adorable tie-dye looking joggers, and he's worn these a lot, and you can see by the times that I've washed them that they're kind of pilly and they're looking just like they've seen better days. So I don't love the way that Old Navy clothes get worn in our family, and again, it's probably just because of the way that I wash them. The next place I shopped was Target, and I ended up shopping Target online because I saw some other boys wearing these tops and I thought they were super cute and pretty versatile. These are all just like band t-shirts. They can go with a lot of different bottoms and a lot of different sweatshirts or cardigans over top. So I don't usually buy white because again, I'm not awesome at laundry and he frankly gets really dirty, and white just doesn't wash well in our house. I think we have hard water. Oh, here it comes. So I got this Red Hot Chili Peppers, and this one is, you can see it's gotten a little bit of wear also. He's been wearing this one nonstop, the Pink Floyd one. And it's funny because it's definitely more worn than the other two, and he's been wearing it with these sweatpants because I just think that's so cute. And it's a super comfortable outfit for him to wear just around the house. It's not like he goes to daycare. It's not like we go anywhere. So most of these outfits are pretty comfy, cozy outfits that he can just wear around the house. I did get a couple nicer pieces, so if we went out and I wanted him to look super cute. I also got a couple pieces from Amazon, of course. Now, obviously Amazon is a little bit more difficult because you never know the quality you're gonna get and you can't like touch and feel them. So it's kind of like a shot in the dark with Amazon. So first I got him this, what is it? I think it was like a 12 pack of socks. They came in gray, blue, light blue, dark gray, light gray, black, and white. And I did have a couple pairs of socks that he was wearing, but he was slipping all over the hardwood floors.
Are you okay?
And since I've gotten these, they have like the full footing on the bottom. He isn't slipping on the floor anymore. Our whole house is hardwood, so that was kind of important. And these seem to be doing the job. So this was like a good Amazon find. The next little outfit I got off Amazon, and most of these are still in the bags because I haven't even tried them on him yet. I love the sweat top, or this, I love the top. It's really thin. I'm still undecided on whether or not this is gonna remain part of his wardrobe, only because these are white. And I mean, obviously I knew it buying them, but, and then the trim is gray, which is so cute. Okay, the next set I got, and he's actually wearing the black ones. So it was a 3-pack of Gerber Sweatpants. It was this oatmeal color, this olive green color, and he's wearing the black ones right now. And these were, I think they're called the harem, where they're like the dropped crotch or whatever. So they're super cute, and they were very soft, and they were Gerber brand, which I was surprised, but they're really, really, really nice. So these are definitely going to stay in his wardrobe. We'll see how they wash up. Hopefully they wash up nicer than the Old Navy ones. The next top I got was this black and white check flannel. This is off Amazon. It was really inexpensive. It's not the softest, but we'll see. I thought maybe I could use it as like a little jacket for like when it's nicer outside, or even just like around the house over top of one of his t-shirts. It's pretty classic flannel feel, I guess. Flannel, you know, super cute. So I thought he would look so cute in this outfit with like this over top. Wouldn't that be such a cute fall pumpkin patch outfit? Okay, go play. This is the other flannel that I got. I got this to go over an orange two-piece. It was like an orange striped two-piece, and I saw a picture of like a little boy with this tied around his waist, and it looked super cute and festive for the fall. I don't know what it is about my kid's feet, but he has super fat, round, little chunky feet, and it's so hard for me to find shoes that are easy to put on, easy to put off. If I find one pair of shoes that fit him, that's just the shoes he's gonna wear all the time. So I've been on the hunt for really cute shoes. I found these. They are adorable and they open up really wide. So if your kid has fat feet, these are so easy to put on. The next couple pieces I bought at a Instagram boutique, and I've not really had great luck with Instagram boutiques buying clothes for myself before, but I saw a lot of other boys on Instagram wearing these cute outfits, and so I bit the bullet and I tried it, and for the most part I'm happy with everything. Okay, the first piece I got from Worn Wild, which is the Instagram boutique, was this two-piece ribbed organic cotton set, and it's so cute. The little bottoms have little pockets. Not like he's gonna put anything in the pockets, but it's just adorable. For some reason I thought it was gonna be like a charcoal color. It ended up being like a dark green, which the description said forest green online, so it was just me not, I don't know what I was thinking. It's by Maybe Baby, M-E-B-I-E Baby, and they're super soft. The only thing that I don't love is that this little drawstring, it doesn't seem to be sewn in the back. So technically the drawstring could pull all the way out, which I guess I'm paranoid, but I went to put these on him to sleep the other night, and I realized the drawstring could get pulled out, and so it just made me second guess it, and I didn't actually let him sleep in these, which is kind of annoying. I'd like to be able to like let him sleep in them or wear them for play, but I think it's an easy fix. I can just put some stitching in the back and then he won't be able to pull this drawstring out, because I feel like that could be pretty dangerous. Otherwise, they're super cute, and I would definitely buy another set of this with like a different color. The next thing I got from Worn Wild. So it seems like Worn Wild is a boutique that sells other brands. I don't know if they have their own stuff, because a lot of the stuff that I got was from this Maybe Baby, M-E-B-I-E, maybe? I'm not sure how you say it. But I got this super cute little oatmeal hoodie, and I really wanted the oatmeal sweatpants that went with it, but they were sold out in his size. That's what made me get those Gerber pack, and it was a shot in the dark, but they're pretty much passable for this top. If you look really closely, you can see that this one has like a little bit of gray etching, and this one is more like cream etching. But I don't think you'll be able to tell if you wore it as a set. I'm really disappointed though, because I wanted the sweatpants to go with this set. There was a picture of a little boy, and he had the set on the cover of the website, and it was just so cute. So this is adorable. It's very soft, and it can pretty much be cross-matched with these pants, which have this like oatmeal drawstring. And I also got another set, and I will put like a picture of it right here. It's in the wash right now because he's been wearing the heck out of it. It's like a pumpkin color, and it has like the oatmeal pinstripes, and it's a two-piece ribbed organic cotton set. Adorable. It's so cute. So he could wear those striped pumpkin pants with this oatmeal sweatshirt also, and it would match really, really well. Okay, the last thing I got from that Instagram boutique was a pricier. Those things were all like 20 bucks. This was a bit pricier, but I was hoping that it would be like his winter jacket, and it's this cute little denim jacket. So online, I kind of thought this was more of like a Sherpa, like a warmer. I was expecting this to be a little bit warmer, to be honest. It is lined, and it is a heavier weight than a normal jean jacket. It's just not as heavy as I thought it would be. And the arms, the sleeves are not lined. But it is adorable, and it's perfect for fall, and it'll be perfect for spring. And it is a 2T, so it'll fit him for a long time. And it's called, it's by Little and Loved. Would I get it again if I really knew this wasn't Sherpa? Well, probably, because I'm not going to return it because I really do like it, and it looks so cute in pictures. So I'm keeping it. So I'm obsessed with hats for little boys. So I got him 2 hats. He wears a hat all the time. He's bald, so it's not like he has any cute hair to style or anything like that. All my kids were born bald. I don't know what I do. I make bald babies, and they stay bald for a long time until they're like 3 or 4. So I always try to get him hats to cover up his bald head. The first one I got was actually from Walmart. It was unintentional, but I love Yellowstone, the show, and I thought it was so cute. It's like a charcoal color with the yellow, and it goes so cute with a lot of the fall outfits because it has this yellow, and it's a, you know, standard trucker hat with the mesh in the back. Lucky, he actually wear these hats. This one I got from Amazon. It's by the brand Knuckleheads, which has a ton of adorable little boy hats. And this is just this classic black with the American flag on it. And it goes so cute with basically all his outfits. He wears a lot of black. This is his little winter hat. I actually bought it last year, but they're still on Amazon. It's just like a double palm little knit hat. And it's so freaking cute. I can't help it. So I just added that in, even though it's not brand new. He wears this all the time. Next, I'll go over the couple things that I got that I'm gonna return. And just because I'm returning them doesn't mean that they wouldn't work for you guys. So I'm gonna show them to you anyway. It's just, I don't like to have like a ton of clothes to like keep up after. It's just an 8-pack of all different color beanies. And I thought that they were going to be the kind that like slouch in the back. You know what I'm talking about? I don't know what that is. I bought him a pair of toddler size beanies last year because he's got a big head. But I bought him this pack last year, and it was like a 6-pack of basic colors, and they fit pretty good. So I tried to get the next size up. I thought this was going to be the next size up. It wasn't. They fit exactly the same as the ones he already has, so that's the only reason I'm returning them. And the next item that I have to return are these cute jeans. I don't like typically have him just wear jeans around the house because who likes to wear jeans around the house for no reason? But I do like to have like a cute pair of like jeans so that if we went to a party or something, I could dress him up really, really cute. And these are so freaking cute. I just thought they were adorable. The only thing for me is that they have like a real button, and for some reason I couldn't get it buttoned on and off. It's just really hard. It's possible that you could slide them on and off, but they have this like elastic thing where you have to tighten them to the fit. It was just too much work. Like, he let me put them on him, and I was like fussing with that button, trying to get it buttoned, and he was just like, I'm done. So I need to find a pair that maybe have like an elastic waist or something where it's much easier for me to just pull them on and take them off. But these are so cute. I really wished the button was different because of like the little distressing and stuff. They looked so adorable. So those have to go back for me, unfortunately. The next thing that has to go back were these little boots. And they are freaking adorable. Look at these little boots. So cute. Now, I did put a bigger size in my cart. So I thought for sure I wasn't going to have a hard time getting his foot in there because they open up pretty wide. But I guess because it's a high top, when it opens up, it pinches right here. And then I couldn't get his foot like through the bottom. I really, really liked these. I thought they were so cute. And I really wanted a pair, like a cute pair of boots for him. I just know myself though, and I know that I'll get these, and those Adidas ones go on so easily. I'll just keep reaching for the Adidas ones, and then these will sit in the drawer and he'll outgrow them, and it'll just be a waste of money. So I think even though I have the bigger size of these in my cart because I wanted to try to see if I could get his fatty foot in there easier, I probably am just gonna pass. Side note, a handful of these items, the jeans, the Adidas tennis shoes, the 3-pack of Gerber Sweatpants, the 3-pack of Carter sweatpants I'm about to show you in this pack of t-shirts were all Amazon Prime wardrobe. So I don't know if you're familiar with that, but basically you just pick out the items that you want to try on, then you get 7 days to try them on, and then you can return them without paying for them. Or if you decide to keep anything, you just pay for the items that you keep. Pretty cool. Their inventory is pretty limited, but when you do find things that you're interested in and it is on Prime Wardrobe, it is kind of a perk. So I got this 2-pack of Children's Place t-shirts, a white one and a black one. I was thinking it would be nice to have t-shirt basics, but he has a couple of those graphic tees for the bands, and it's just, I feel like I would just reach for those because they're basic enough to where they could go under a flannel shirt or anything. So I'm going to return these. This is a 3-pack of the Carter's sweatpants. They're navy, gray, and like a charcoal or an olive color. I'm not sure what that is. I didn't even open the bag because I know I'm not going to keep them. I'm going to keep the 3-pack of the Gerber sweatpants that were more basic colors. It was like black, olive, and that oatmeal. So I don't need 6 pair of sweatpants. I'll insert a couple of the outfit looks so you can see what it looks like put together. I try to stick with neutrals, again, because you can swap them in and out, and it's so much easier. If you're looking for some more boy outfit inspo, feel free to follow me on Instagram, Amber Unraveled, or I actually set up a little TikTok for Cruz, which is called Fashion Bull. His last name is Bull, so it's Fashion Bull, B-U-L-L. And I'm posting just little TikTok videos of outfit inspo because, again, I have such a hard time thinking of cute boy outfits. So when I was looking at other people's boy outfits, it was really helpful, and I feel like I have a pretty good base right now for him going into fall and winter. Well, I hope you guys thought this was helpful. Feel free to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next week.